give you 5 additional reasons why you should definitely sign up right now. Number 1, you'll be able to shop from any online retailer anywhere in the world and get your items delivered to your doorsteps here in Jamaica. If you're a Jamaican living overseas, you'll be able to send items and we deliver them to your loved ones' doorsteps. Look, Mama don't have to go down to Western Union anymore to pick up money, then go to a shipper or the wharf. No, we will deliver those items to Mama's doorsteps. Number 2, sites like Shein.com has specials now where for as low as $45 you can get up to 8 items of clothing. We'll be happy to ship those for you. Hey, that's a combo I gave you just now. Number 3, combined shipment. Yes, you'll be able to buy from multiple online stores, multiple items, and we'll combine them into one for you, saving you even more on your shipping charges. If you're shipping bulk items, we're going to give you a 30% discount. Number 4, you can sign up from anywhere in Jamaica because we're going to deliver to you. Yep, we have flexible payment options. You can pay via PayPal, Zelle, debit or credit card, or even online bank transfers. If you live in the US, for example, you'll be able to go into a Wells Fargo branch and pay at the ABM or the teller. If you're in Jamaica, you can do so at any NCB branch. And number 5, free shipping. Yep, you heard me right. You're going to be able to ship 4 times per year for free. How? When you sign up today, you're going to become a platinum member. And for today, our platinum members are not going to pay any annual fees for life. That is why you need to sign up right now. So there you have it. Go ahead, sign up now, start to shop and ship.